DOTS is a math routine that helps build number sense and transition learners from a concrete to pictorial and eventually abstract understanding. We can use this as part of a daily routine during the opening or closure time to help our learners develop number sense. It forces our learners to interact with numbers and gain practical understanding as opposed to simple memorization of patterns.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna count dots today. So I want you to look at this one up here. And I'm gonna give you some time to think about it. And when you have an answer, remember, we do quiet thumb. We're gonna raise our hand. I need a quiet thumb. So, how many dots do you see up here? Okay, I see a few quiet thumbs. You got it? Okay. So raising your hand, can you tell me how many are there? Okay, Ashley, how did you know?
I saw 36.
And how did you know there's 36 in there?
Because I counted by threes.
You counted by threes?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody, Ashlyn counted by threes. Can you count with me by threes? Okay, so we're gonna say one group of three, because that's how you saw it, right? Okay, ready? Let's go.
One group of three, two groups of three, three groups of three, four groups of three, five groups of three, six groups of three, seven groups of three, eight groups of three, nine groups of three, 10 groups of three, 11 groups of three, 12 groups of three.
Like that, Ashlyn? Okay. And did you do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or how did you think about it in your head?
3 plus 3 plus 3.
You did that 3 plus 3 plus 3. So, but you guys, is there a faster way to get to that instead of doing, because I could write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, but we don't have a lot of time. So what could I do, Tomas? What's your idea?
12 times 3.
You want me to do 12 times 3?
Yeah.
Okay, and how much is that, mister?
36.
Ashlyn, so you were right when you said that there's 36 in here. Did anybody see 36 in a different way? How did you see it, Yoselin?
By 10s.
By tens, you see tens in there? Where do you see the tens, Yoselin? Just point to it. At the top? So right here, there's 10, Yoselin? Okay, so 10, and then what did you do?
And then I got the other 10.
You got another 10?
And then I
Okay.
got the last group of 10.
And you got the last group of 10. Okay.
And finally I got the 6.
And finally, you got the 6 right here. So I'll write plus 6.
And then I got 10 plus 10 plus 10
You did 10 plus 10 plus 10
equals 30.
equals 30. So when you do all of these together, that's going to be 30.
And
Okay.
then 30 plus 6
And then 30 plus 6
equals 36.
equals 36. We see 3 tenths in there, right? How else could I write this 10 plus 10 plus 10, Yoselin? How many tens do
3
you see?
times 10 equals 30.
So I could say 3 times 10, right? Add the 6. Would it give me the same answer, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes.
What's 3 times 10?
30.
Wait, what's 3 times 10?
30.
30, and then I add the 6. Still 36. So you guys are completely sure there's 36 in here? Okay, and we did it 2 different ways. We found it by doing 12 groups of 3 gives me 36. Then I had Yoselin 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6, and they also give us 36. So we do have 36 in here. So tomorrow we're gonna count this one. Maybe you guys can start getting some ideas as to how many ways we can count this one. Yep? Thumbs up if we're good? Awesome.